Jessica's right leg forward, I'm right leg forward. We are thigh to thigh, hence gambarola. And I'm taking Jessica down this way. And of course, Jessica could take me down the same way. Go ahead. La gambarola in context. How are we going to get there?
There's a million and one ways.
There is. So, I mean, for instance, as we're argy-barging, I'm maybe going for this, and this is not going so well, and suddenly here we are, for instance. So maybe proceed the action with a pull to make her resist it, and that gives me the momentum in the direction that I want, perhaps.